Good morning, student. Welcome to our English language class. Student, before starting the lesson, I would like to tell you one golden thought. The golden thought of today is practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. Do you know the meaning of this golden thought? I will explain it for you. Practice makes a man perfect. Means if you don't know anything, any work, if you will do the practice of that work which you don't know, one day you will be perfect in that work. You are the student of class 4th. Suppose you don't know the table of 19. If you will learn the table of 19 again 1, 2 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, if you will learn it again, then you will be perfect in table of 19. Understand? And some students are not having good handwriting. If they want to improve their handwriting, what they have to do? They have to do practice of writing more and more. If you will do the practice of your writing, then one day it will be good. आपकी हैंडराइटिंग बहुत अच्छी और सुंदर हो जाएगी, बट यू नीड प्रैक्टिस. इसीलिए कहते हैं प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट. If you will do the practice of anything, one day you will be perfect in that work. Understand? Now come back to the lesson. The verb, kinds of verb. In my last videos, I explained the verb. Kinds of verb. In that video, I explain you what is a verb and the kinds of verb, transitive verb and intransitive verb. Now today, this is your worksheet number 27 and your submission date is 25 July. On Saturday, you have to upload the work of this worksheet in our Ursal. The topic of today is object and complements. Here it is. Object and complements. First, the definition of object. Words that are added to the verb to complete their meaning are called object. About the object, I told you in my last video also. Object. Here are the examples. The postman brings letter. These blue heighted words are our verb. The carpenter makes furniture. I highlighted with blue color two verbs and with yellow two object. The postman brings letter. This is our verb, and after verb this word letter. The postman brings letter. What does the postman bring? The postman brings letter. It means the word letter is our object. Understand? It is object of verb brings. Sorry, I written here wrong. Brings. Yes, this letter word is our object. It is object of verb brings. Understand? Noun second. The carpenter makes furniture. What does the carpenter make? What does the carpenter make? Furniture. So the furniture word is our object. Furniture word is our object. It is object of the verb makes. Understand? It is object of the verb makes. Makes is our verb in this sentence, and furniture is our object. Furniture is our object and makes is our verb. Understand? Now complement. A word required to form a complete predicate is called a complement to the verb. I will read it again for you. A word required to form a complete predicate is called a complement to the verb. Do you know predicate? This lesson also I explain you. Example, the old man is tired. Sita seems happily. In this sentence, is verb and seems is verb. Now I will explain this sentence. The old man is tired. I written it here also. The verb in this sentence do not make full meaning by themselves. In this sentence, if I will write the sentence till here, till verb, the old man is, then told me, student, answer me, is it a complete sentence? And this verb is making a complete meaning. No, na? Last time I explained you birds fly. What I explain you? I explain you birds fly. Look at here. BIRDS. Birds fly. FLY. This is also a sentence. This sentence is complete here with fly. Fly is our verb. What is it? It is our verb. Fly is our verb and it is completely meaningful. This verb is making the makes it meaningful. This fly, है ना? Birds fly. But here is also our verb, but it not makes the complete sense. The old man is. Is it a complete sentence? Is it a meaningful sentence, student? No, na? If we will write here tired, now it is complete. This is our predicate. The old man is tired. From is and tired. This is our predicate, and the old man is our subject. Something is added to them to complete the sense. So in this condition, something need after the verb. We need here word tired to complete the sentence. To make it, what make it? Meaningful. To make it meaningful, we need more than verb. After verb, we also need words to make the complete sense. Okay. But what is added is not the object. Therefore, these verbs are not transitive. In this sentence, some words are required to form complete predicates. In both sentences, we need more than verbs. Is verbs and seems verbs. We need some more words to form complete predicates. Such words are called complement. In this sentence, we need tired, and in this sentence, we need happy to complete the predicate. So, the word tired and happy is our complement. Understand? The word tired which tell us what the old man is. What the old man is? The old man is tired, and which is required to form a complete predicate. This tired word is required to make a complete predicate. So it is called complement to the verb is. This tired word is complement to the verb is. And in second sentence, happy is our complement. Happy is our complement. Understand? Because this seems, it is our verb. This verb need some more words to complete the predicate. Understand? Seems need happy to complete the predicate. So this word, happy word, is our complement. Understand? Now student, today I am giving you one homework also here. One homework. Do exercise 19, page number 20, and exercise 21, page 21 in your notebook. This work you have to do in your notebook only. This homework. Look at this book. Question number 19. In the following sentences, pick out the object and the complements. You have to pick out the object and complement from these all sentence. Your first, he broke the slate. The earth is round. You have to write here which word is object and which word is complement. First you underline here, then write here. Okay? This work you have to do here only, in your book only. Don't note down this work in your language notebook, and write the date and day here also. Here you can write, because here is some place to write date and day and HW for homework. And one more homework is here. This exercise number 21. This also you do in your book only. Okay, student? Match the correct action word with each name word. The first one has been done for you. Exercise 21. It is very easy exercise. You do it yourself. Draw the line. This is a matching na, so you can match the words with the help of a line, and you can draw the colorful line. Here are 12 words na, you can use the 12 color also. Understand? Okay, thank you student. Now I hope you understand the verb and kinds of verb. Now stay home, stay safe, take care yourself and obey your parents. Don't go outside, don't play outside, okay, because of COVID-19. Now thank you student. Bye bye.